So this problem is very important because we will use this function to keep doing other problems. So this is called the maximum depth of the binary tree. So basically, the key point is that somebody give you a root or give you a node, and you want to find its height or find its height. Okay, so this is the simple recursion. If the root is 0, it's none, then you return 0. And if the root is not none, then we just return the left tree and the right tree, and we take a maximum at 1. Okay, so you should always remember this function. So let me do an example. Suppose this start from 3, and then you don't know what is the height of this 3, and then you go to left, and you see 9, but you still don't know, and you go to left, and there's no nothing. So you know that the height for 3 is 2. From left, and from right you get 3. So what you have is this. What you have is this. So basically, you take a maximum of left and the maximum of right, and you add 1. Okay. So this can compute the height of the binary tree. Okay, and I will see you guys in other interesting videos.